From South Africa, Kagiso Rabada has 291 wickets in 62 test matches. The greatest all-rounder from South Africa, Jack Scales, played 166 test matches and he got 292 wickets. D.L. Underwood played 86 test matches and he got 297 wickets. Morne Morkel from South Africa got 309 wickets in his test career with 86 matches he played. Bradley from Australia got 310 wickets in 76 test matches. Zaheer Khan from India got 311 wickets in 92 test matches he played. Ishant Sharma played 105 test matches and he got 311 wickets. Mitchell Johnson played 73 test matches and he had 313 test wickets. Trent Boult from New Zealand got 317 wickets in 78 test matches. Bob Willis from England got 325 test wickets in 90 test matches he played. Alan Donald from South Africa played 72 test matches and he has 330 wickets. Chaminda Was from Sri Lanka played 111 test matches and he got 355 wickets. Dennis Lillee from Australia played 70 test matches and he has 355 wickets. Mitchell Starc played 89 test matches and currently he has 358 wickets. Imran Khan played 88 test matches with 362 wickets. Waqar Younis played 87 test matches and he bagged 373 wickets. Malcolm Marshall from West Indies played 81 test matches and he has 376 wickets. Tim Southee played exactly 100 test matches and there he got 380 wickets. Ian Botham from England played 102 test matches and he got 383 wickets. Makhaya Ntini from South Africa played 101 test matches and he got 390 wickets. Curly Ambrose from West Indies played 98 test matches and he got 405 wickets. Wasim Akram from Pakistan played 104 test matches and he got 414 wickets. Sean Pollock from South Africa played 108 test matches and he got 421 wickets. Richard Hadley from New Zealand played 86 test matches and he got 431 test wickets. Kapil Dev from India got 434 wickets in 131 matches. Dale Steyn from South Africa played 93 test matches and he has 439 wickets. Courtney Walsh from West Indies played 132 test matches and he got 519 wickets. Glenn McGrath from Australia played 124 test matches, he got 563 wickets. Stuart Broad from England got 604 wickets in 167 matches. Jimmy Anderson, leading fast bowler in Test cricket with 700 wickets in 187 matches and just one match to go.